Sanibona my board members ninjani. I hope you guys good and you guys are okay. Ngicela ni like leli page bese ni press like and leave your comment. The story of Miss South Africa. Yes, you remember that's a Nigerian. I from South Africa, South Africa, but from Cape. She's a divorcee and with a child. The rules we used to know some rules in South Africa are to no marriage. Maybe I say shintshiwe. But yeah, sebehambile bayithola isoka lakho ukuthi isoka lakhe laseNigeria ugirl nanomshado wagirl ugirl uyishadele with the Nigerian man yakhe eyitycoon iphinde ibe i-drug lord yase-Saint eCape Town. So girl was a boss girl ephinde abe hookup girl. This girl has to do with the roots of South Africa. Her mother, Urungani Nango, is a Mozambican who came to South Africa. Asimazi usomtholela kanjani ugeli sithi okusujonga beseshade nalo naturally South Africa. Yo indaba kana South Africa iyomananga ngeke South African are still there standing though, but if this woman wins, there's nothing that says but guys, even Umshado Wake shows she's not a South African. There's nothing that says South African. There's a video also that was trending on Twitter, 18. She would do anything to fly to Joburg to see, to meet his lover. And she was like, yes, I'm visiting. The person that he took apart from Soweto, Andrew Ake, Ule Ratu speaks sort of because she's been in South Africa way longer. But oh my God, she's a known saloonist queen. Her father is a well-known drug lord. Summer Greens, bayarana trafficking, benza zonke lezo zeyingane. So South Africa is like, then why is she presenting as Home Affairs? Home Affairs manje usho ukuthi uyithole kanjani i-citizenship, uyithole kanjani i-ID lo. Uma wakhe yena njengoba sekuthole nesoka lakhe ubaba wakhe yena, because if this man says she married uMaka Chichima Vanessa Law, she's a Mozambican, she's not a South African. How come she got us SA? Home Affairs is just a dirty game. So that's where the story is at. Miss South Africa hasn't said anything. That's how I may win a little girl that Shembe Yogans. But they keep her so yeah, but what we all saying right now is the first government has been trying, but when somebody's Home Affairs or too lead, why come say Hambile Baba Chichima why they do Miss South Africa is coming in a few days. It's Miss South Africa, and this issue has not been sorted. And the boyfriend or the husband, even posting the wife. Why is she not getting Mrs. South Africa or Mrs. Nigeria? But that's where we stand. So we have a banning issue of Vanessa Chichima Adiwe law or South Africa. It's just in the show again, without being xenophobic or whatever the case it is. She's not a South African. Her mother is known. Usama Saluni, Bashawusha Panzuba Madrasi, Ndodaki as the saying she's not a South African. But then now, who at Miss South Africa decided that it was a good idea to make sure to make those girls part of this, or part of Miss South Africa. Anyway, thanks so much for putting through. I'm going to need you to subscribe and I'm going to need you to press like and leave a comment. Mwah.